This is feedback for Zahraa on her WR1 practice essay, week 3 practice essay. First of all, I think you did a really good job. I love the title. I love how you rhyme it here. Overweight in Kuwait. That's really nice. I also like your hook and how you begin your background information. It's a very interesting way of beginning it. However, when you get here, you become informal. You say, do you know? Like, this is a formal essay. Remember, we don't say you in formal essays. Also, you're using numbers here. Just say almost half, right? 42%. That's almost half of Kuwaitis suffer from this issue. And then you need to, give a little bit more, a few more sentences about this topic. This intro is just too short. Topic sentence is okay, but the problem is you're saying you're focused on the effects, but these are causes. Why are they overweight? Because no exercise, a lot of restaurants, eating bad food. So these are causes. So you need to change this to effects if your essay is really about effects. And that might mean if your essay is about causes, then you can throw some effects in here as well, right? So, talk about, how many, Kuwaitis are maybe going, have medical care or having to lose work or doing other things. In your body paragraph, you need, the body paragraph, number 1, you need a topic sentence. Or clear topic sentence. You kind of say it here, but it's not clear what you're trying to say. It should be something direct and just say the first cause of Kuwaitis being overweight is, and I think a good way to say what you're trying to say is lack of activity. Because if you say lack of activity, then you can talk about, not doing exercises, like you do here. You could also talk about, the weather. It's just the weather makes people not want to be active, and watching TV makes people want not be active. Entertainment makes people not want to be active. I think all that stuff would work well here. I don't know why you put your sentence down here. It should start here. That's, making a new paragraph. You don't make a new paragraph here. That should be back, next to each other. And give a concluding comment at the end of your topic sentences. Basically reverse your topic sentence. Lack of activity is one of the major causes of many Kuwaitis not being healthy or overweight. Second paragraph, your topic sentence is a lot better. Second reason is food, not our food. And you can find restaurants, not found. And I think you make good points here. So that looks solid. Make sure you add a concluding sentence. And then finally, for your conclusion, show the results of your advice. So I thought your advice was pretty solid here. And your concluding sentence here was pretty good, except for the fact, it's pretty good. I'm sorry, it's supposed to be green. Except for the fact that you didn't write causes. So I added that in. So you need to change that and say these are the causes of Kuwaitis being overweight. I like how you're talking about campaigns and doing like a marathon. I would just add some more here and talk about the results. Like if you add more campaigns and marathons, what would that do to the Kuwaiti people? It would, help them to be more active, and it will help them to, eat less, and, these are the things that would result from these advice. Good job, rewrite it, upload it into week 4 practice essay.